In this section, we will discuss about the self-citation. In this section, we will discuss about the self-citation. Self-citation's definition is when a researcher cites his own papers, that is called the self-citations. When a researcher cites his own papers, own previous papers, that is called the self-citations. Definitely, if it is a linked work, we can cite our own work. However, beyond certain limit, excessive self-citation is again creating the ethical issues. So the impact is one can inflate the citation counts, affecting the matrix such as, let's say, H index or I10 by putting the self-citations. Let's say a person wants more number of I10 papers. That means he has to cross 10 citations, and he will keep citing his own previous papers to make it more than 10 for each paper, more than 10 citations for each paper, which means he will inflate his citation count to increase more number of I10 papers or H index also. So these ethical issues, we have to be careful, and we have to self-cite it based on the acceptable range, Now, if you look at the adjusted count formula, which means C adjusted equals to C total minus C self. That means, let's say, for one particular paper, if I have, let's say, or you can say total all in all, for my all the papers I have, let's say, 150 citations, and wherever I have self-cited, I will definitely self-cite for few linked studies. It is ethical. However, excessively citing, that is unethical. So excessive self-citing is unethical. Let's say I self-cited for 30 papers, 30 times I've self-cited. So C adjusted citation count is 120. 150 minus 130, that comes as 120. So that's how we can compute the adjusted citation count for that.